Hey everyone, in this video I'll tell you how to automate replies in Facebook Messenger for your page. Let's get started. First, go to business.facebook.com or open your Facebook page, then tap Meta Business Suite on the left sidebar. Once you're inside Meta Business Suite, click on Inbox on the left panel, then you'll see all your Facebook messages, Instagram DMs, and comments here. Then tap Automations, then you'll see suggested templates, but to make your own, click Create Automation. Then select Instant Reply from the list, then click Edit Automation. This opens the reply editor where you can turn it on, edit the message, or personalize it. Once your message is ready, just click Save Changes. Now anyone who messaged your page will instantly receive reply, no manual work needed. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.